How to create unlimited AI avatar videos for free. Have you ever wanted to create professional AI avatar videos without showing your face, without hiring actors, and without spending a single dollar? What if I told you that there is a platform that lets you generate unlimited AI avatar videos completely free? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create unlimited AI avatar videos for free using a powerful tool that many creators are completely overlooking right now. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, affiliate marketer, freelancer, business owner, or someone looking to start a faceless YouTube channel, then this video could save you hundreds of dollars every month. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm also going to show you how to create custom voiceovers and combine them with AI avatars to create highly engaging videos. Let's get started. The first thing we need is a script. Open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt such as, "Write a short script about personal finance." Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete script for you. This can be about personal finance, investing, saving money, budgeting, retirement planning, or any other topic you want. Once the script is generated, simply copy the entire script. Now, open Google and search for TikTok Symphony. Click on the official TikTok Symphony website. Once you're on the website, click on Get Started. You can log in using your email address and password. You can also sign in with your TikTok account or your Google account. After successfully logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the platform. You'll notice several demo videos that showcase what the platform can create. These examples can give you inspiration for your own projects. Now click on Home. Next, click on Avatar Videos. You'll immediately see multiple options available for creating AI avatar content. You can create videos using voiceover avatars or product avatars. For this demonstration, let's focus on voiceover avatars because they are incredibly useful and can be used to create unlimited content for free. Click on Voiceover Avatar. Now you'll notice that TikTok Symphony provides two different types of avatars. The first category is real human avatars. The second category is AI-generated avatars. Let's start with AI-generated avatars. These avatars are created using artificial intelligence and are available in many different styles. One of the best things about this platform is the filtering system. You can filter by industry, you can filter by gender, you can filter by background, you can filter by style, you can filter by region. This makes it very easy to find the perfect avatar for your content. For example, if you're creating videos about finance, investing, stock market education, or wealth building, simply choose the finance category. Immediately, you'll see avatars that are suitable for finance-related content. Take some time to browse through the available options. Click on different avatars and preview them. Pay attention to their appearance, presentation style, and overall professionalism. Once you've found an avatar you like, select it. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the script you generated earlier. Return to TikTok Symphony. Paste the script into the text box. Next, choose a voice. There are multiple voice options available. Listen to a few samples and choose the one that best matches your audience. If your audience prefers a professional tone, select a professional voice. If your audience prefers a conversational style, select a friendly voice. After choosing the voice, click Generate. Now, sit back and let the AI do its magic. Within a short time, TikTok Symphony will create a complete AI avatar video based on your script. Once the video is generated, preview it.
I don't get it. I make a decent salary, but I never seem to have money left at the end of the month. Have you ever made a budget? Not really. I just spend what I need and hope for the best. That's probably the problem.
Look at the lip synchronization. Notice how the avatar speaks naturally. Observe how professional the final result looks. And remember, this was created without a camera, without a microphone, and without hiring anyone. Now let's explore another powerful feature. Instead of using AI-generated avatars, let's try the real human avatars. Go back to the avatar selection page. Choose the real human category. You'll see a wide variety of realistic human presenters. These avatars look incredibly natural and can add a professional touch to your content. Select any avatar that you like. Paste the same personal finance script. Choose a voice. then click Generate. After the video is ready, preview the result.
I don't get it. I make a decent salary, but I never seem to have money left at the end of the month. Have you ever made a budget? Not really. I just spend what I need and hope for the best. That's probably the problem.
Compare it with the AI-generated version. Some creators prefer AI-generated avatars. Others prefer real human avatars. The great thing is that you can experiment with both and determine which one performs better with your audience. Now let's create something completely different. Instead of personal finance, let's create a fitness video. Open ChatGPT again. This time, type "Write a short fitness script about building biceps." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a fitness-related script. Copy the entire script. Now let's create a custom voiceover. Open Google AI Studio. Choose the text-to-audio option. Paste the fitness script. Next, choose the Enceladus voice. This voice sounds natural and engaging, making it perfect for educational and motivational content. Click Run. The AI will generate a professional-quality audio file. Listen to the result.
Want bigger, stronger biceps? It takes more than just lifting heavy weights. Start with the basics: barbell curls, dumbbell curls, and hammer curls. Focus on proper form and control every rep. Trainee:
If you're satisfied with the voiceover, download the audio file to your computer. Now return to TikTok Symphony. Search for avatars related to the fitness industry. You'll find multiple fitness-focused presenters and personalities. Choose the avatar that best matches your content. This time, instead of using text-to-speech directly inside TikTok Symphony, look for the Upload Audio option. Click Upload Audio. Select the voiceover file you downloaded from Google AI Studio. Once the audio has been uploaded, click Generate. The platform will now synchronize your custom voiceover with the selected avatar. After the video is generated, preview it.
Want bigger, stronger biceps? It takes more than just lifting heavy weights. Start with the basics: barbell curls, dumbbell curls, and hammer curls. Focus on proper form and control every rep.
This is where things become really exciting. You are no longer limited to the built-in voices. You can create voiceovers using different AI tools and combine them with TikTok Symphony avatars. This gives you much more flexibility and creative freedom. One of the biggest advantages of AI avatars is consistency. You don't need to worry about lighting. You don't need to worry about camera quality. You don't need to worry about recording mistakes. You don't need to worry about appearing on camera. The AI handles everything for you. This makes content creation faster, easier, and more scalable. Comment yes if you're going to try creating AI avatar videos after watching this tutorial. I'd love to hear how it goes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.